How do you safely play IPOs? You want to know? Here, right? You take the candle on the first day, right? Mark out the top, mark out the bottom. All right. On the following days, if it breaks the top of the first day candle, then you can play it to the upside. If it takes out the bottom of the first day candle, wait for a reversal pattern. That is the short answer. Let me show you a recent IPO where that was the case. That's exactly what I did. This is my buddy. My buddy was an early investor in this. FJet. FJet. Okay, here is FJet. Now, this was the open. This was the close, right? The open and the close. So what was the, so here's the candle, right? Top of it. Boom, boom. Right? Here it is. Let me show you. Okay, here's the top. Here's the bottom. Come on. And when it broke 1781, I played this sucker, right? I played it. Now, I didn't know where it was going to go, right? I didn't know where it was going to go. But once on the third day, notice day 2, it did not break the bottom. So it just what does that mean? After 2 days, hasn't broke the top, hasn't broke the bottom. Now it's not inside the body of the candle, but it didn't break the top and it didn't break the bottom. Okay. So once it broke that, it's on like Donkey Kong. And I got into this sucker and I got in right on the break. Right. And I got in at like 1785, just playing shares. And then I got out at like 25. So for me, that was cool. I made like 30% on the shares, right? No biggie. And then what happened next day, inside candle, right? I'm looking for that surge, that like boom, right? I want to see that surge. I want to get in on the surge. I want to play the surge. Okay. And so notice it breaks the bottom. Okay. So when you play it, you wait for the reversal candle. Down, down, low. Look at this. What is this candle right here? Can anybody tell me what this candle is right here? What is the name of this candle? This type of candle compared to this candle. This candle compared to this candle. What is it? What is it? It is an engulfing candle. That's your first sign of the reversal. All right, of the reversal. And then you can wait until the break either back up above the bottom of that first candle level or really right here, right? Because that is the swing high broke above that. So you could play that from 569, back up here to previous resistance, as you saw right there. Boom, 569 to 1172. That didn't suck, right? But that is what I want you to understand is you either play a breakout of the top of the day 1 candle, or when it breaks the bottom of that day 1 bottom, you got to wait for the reversal signal. Make sense?